Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to set up the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Now to do that, first of all, just select your language on your Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Now after that, this QR code will appear on the screen. Now from here on your smartphone, just make sure you install the Mi Fitness app from the Google Play Store. After that, just open the Mi Fitness app, then go to Device. And from here, you will have two options. You can either tap on the plus icon and select scanner. And from here, you can scan this QR code with your smartphone and you can pair your Mi Band 10 with your smartphone. And also, if you go back, you can tap on add device. And from here, it will detect the name of your Mi Band 10. As you can see, it already detected the name of the Mi Band 10. Just tap on it. Now, as you can see, this notification will appear on your Mi Band 10. Just select on Done to pair. On your smartphone, just select Pair. As you can see, we have successfully paired our Mi Band 10 with our smartphone. Now, on your smartphone, just select Next. Now, from here, just select Next and select Done. Now, just tap on Continue and tap on Next. Now just select Done. Now as you can see, this is how you can set up your Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.